Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of What Are You Reviewing, Dave? Today we're looking at Europa Report. Now, if you're looking for a movie that's filled with mind-blowing special effects, amazing sci-fi action, and just, spectacular CGI, don't watch this movie as it contains nothing of what I just mentioned. Only thing going for this movie that's quite good is it is quite scientifically accurate to a certain degree. But what did I think of this movie in its entirety? Well, you'll find out right now. Europa Report is a weak attempt at science fiction starring Christian Camargo, Anna Maria Marinka, Sholto Copley, and directed by Sebastian Cordero. The film is shot in the found footage format and focuses on the first ever manned mission to Europa, which is one of Jupiter's moons. However, along the way, things go wrong and the crew loses all communications with Earth. This is of course where the whole found footage kicks in to explain what happened aboard the ill-fated space voyage. Europa Report could have been a really great movie as it had a decent plot with some bizarre alien life. The problem is, this film falls in the low budget spectrum. The entire space sequence depiction of the ship in Jupiter's orbit is just laughably bad. It seems as if the entire budget went into the monster's big reveal, which borrows elements from H.P. Lovecraft's Cthulhu mythos, but it's only seen for about 1 second, if that long. As I mentioned, the movie had a decent plot, but the entire fleshed-out story is just dull. Performances are flat and unconvincing, the pace is far too slow, and the found footage format is really frustrating and doesn't add any realism at all. Europa Report seems to have had a small glimmer of inspiration from Stanley Kubrick's 2001: A Space Odyssey. The difference is, one is considered a sci-fi classic, and this one is just uninspiring. The bottom line is, avoid this movie like the plague, unless you enjoy wasting your time. If you really want to watch a brilliant science fiction movie set in space, then just wait for Interstellar, which will be released in November, and trust me, it will be amazing. So, with that in mind, Europa Report gets a vacuumed 2 out of 10. My name is David Braz, and thanks ever so much for watching my movie review. If you liked what you see and want to see more, then please hit that subscribe button.